Good night, Slot family. Anthony Bateman Sr. here, coming to you tonight on my bench work for my railroad. Today I didn't do nothing but think. So I just come back from Adams, Mass to get some of this diet soda. That's the only diet soda on the planet that doesn't bother me. And it doesn't leave a bad aftertaste. I'm just watching world news. I've been trying not to watch too much news because it's too sickening. But anyways, I just was checking out my part of my legs, and I was looking at, I put a level, let's see. Look at it's freaking level. I hope you guys can see it. Let me move my chair over a little bit. Or a little bit more. You guys did a good job with that laser there, putting it on the floor. But I thought all day what I'm gonna do with this. And you know, you can drive yourself crazy with shit like this. So, if you can see my electrical box there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the right height, scribe a line, a level line, and then shoot 2 screws onto a 2x4, and I'm going to rest that beam right there. Then I'm going to take one of the legs and I'm going to screw it. And then what I'm going to do is come down probably 8 feet or so, screw another one, and then or I might split it in half, I don't know, because I got to leave room for that electrical box to get in there. So, not too sure yet. I'm not going to keep thinking, put too much thought into it, because I've been driving my self crazy with that shit. So, so that's what's going on tonight. Hopefully, I know TB, I screwed up. I took my medicine late. I wasn't sure if I took it, so I had to wait, because usually it lets me know because I start pissing. And I can't double take it because my sugar, I know, oh my God, my hip. My sugar drops. So I'm going to try to knock this shit out anyways, you know. So my son will be going to bed early again, so I screwed up the whole day, but at least I'm down here. I'm in good spirits. You know, today I think too much, you know. I just thinking, I think about heaven a lot, you know. I think about it. What's it going to be like? I know it ain't going to be like this down here. I know, you know, God made a lot of amazing creatures. I just don't believe, this is my own thinking, I believe God is energy, you know. And he could, you know, he can do anything. And look at all the creatures he made. He made some pretty scary creatures on this earth, and I think about this shit all the time, you know. So nobody knows until you get there. So I definitely believe in heaven. That I do. Definitely believe in Jesus. That I do. But I believe human beings could throw twists and what's written here and there. So, you know, God does warn about that. I'm not trying to turn this channel into like a holy roll or anything like that. I'm just telling you what I was thinking a lot of today, that's all. But that's the end of that conversation. But, ouch. I was down here looking at my fish tank and how many beautiful animals I have in there. I think they're beautiful. So I gotta go, let's see. That's so roughly, it's 32 and a half. Ouch. So I got a scab of board on. Just dropped my pencil. And I should put on something else for background noise, actually. Of course, I think I screwed the tip up on that pencil. What did I say that was? I should have wrote it down. See, I forgot that fast. 32 and a half. 32 and a half. Remember that. 32 and a half. Okay. I get a piece of wood right here. And I'm going to get my screws started. Make sure I don't put one in my thigh. And I don't want to put one in my little mushroom cap either. Let's see. Okay, so I got those started. So now, 32 and a half. I got to get my pencil now. I dread standing up, man. I just dread it. Let's see. You can see what I'm going to do. Oh, shit. So, okay. Now, what do I do with the level now? Level, pitch, and ruler. First I need the ruler. And I'm gonna put 32. I got a lot of shit in the way here. I have my rigid air compressor. I never used the damn thing much. I kept it up in the attic. And it don't even work now. Let's see. Fuck. Let's see. 32 and a half. I hope. I got so much shit in the way here. That's the problem. So now I'm gonna get fuck. Now I'm gonna get my level and draw a level line. If hopefully I can see the damn thing. Fuck. Of course not. This compressor's got to move a little bit. I should have did that in the first place. Let's see. Oh, man. You know, bending down for me. Bitch. Bending down for me is a minute. Okay. Ooh. All right. Level. You can see that shit. Let's see. Now, fuck. Son of a bitch, man. See if I can see it now. That ain't good. Fuck. Ah, bitch. You know what? I fucking... Shit. Holy fuck, man. Oh, my side's killing me. Ooh. Shit. Just something so simple, man. I have a hard time doing it because I'm out of shape. I gotta sit down a minute. Talk about feeling cheesy. Whew, or maybe I can just, all I gotta do is hold that up there. I have no muscle at all. Nothing, no strength. Whew, nothing. Just blows. Oh, God. Oh. You know, if I could kneel, I could get it. I might have to get a pillow to kneel. It's hard to see that bubble. Okay. Shit. That looks pretty good. Ah, you bitch. Fucking. Shit. This sucks. Bitch. Whew. I think I got a little enough line to do it. I'm not doing too good, bro. That's for sure. I gotta. Oh my God. Got no strength, guys. Don't mean to look cheesy, but just the simplest things in life. My neurologist, I love her, man. She's gonna send me to physical therapy, and I got nothing to lose. Can't go on like this. It's just fucking useless. compared to, there's no comparison. None. None, just fucking none. So, I just gotta catch my breath. Sorry, guys. I just want to show you what I'm gonna do, and then I'll stop filming it, and then I'll fire it back up again when I get. I'm gonna build another one of these legs. Probably put it in the center, and I don't know, but I wanna. I don't know what radius I have to use, but I have to make this thing so you can still get in there and do the power box. You know, that's a must. You know, can't be blocking the shit out of that, but I don't have that much real estate down here. All right, just about caught my breath, so I'm gonna put this in and I'll lay a level on and see what what happens, and then I could always tweak it, you know. So I can't believe that man tore down the ballroom to put up I gotta stop talking and stuff on my channel. Sorry. Fuck. Let's see. Yeah. Hopefully I can get this. And then I'll throw a level on here. You bitch. Shit. I don't know why that does that. That's bullshit. You fuck. Get in there. Oh, God, this stupid fucking. I might have fucked that up. You know, who knows? I might have to. Let's see what happens. Fucking. No. Bitch. That can't be fucking right. Something's wrong. Let me fucking see. Oh, shit. You bitch. Come on. Fucking. Come on. Oh, fuck. Fucking shit. That shit's really bugging the fuck out of me. Why is it doing that? Fuck. Son of a bitch. What the this fucking. Shit. You fucking. This fucking thing, man. What is the fuck's wrong with me? Oh my God, this shit is stupid. I'm not fucking with it no more. You know what? Fuck it. It's gonna have to go. Oh God. Gotta sit down a minute, guys. Whew, fuck, man. This looks so fucking. Whatever. I gotta. Out of fucking breath. Whew. Shit. Let me take a little break. It's such, I know I'm cheesy. Can't help it. And then I'm gonna, that's just a temporary thing right there. For now. So, whew. It's just so I can get the legs on this. So I can walk behind it and then push it up against the wall. And then I just needed it to hold something pretty level, something to height, to hold the wood so I can get this down. But see what I mean? I have no wind. Any little exertion, you know, this baby's just weak, you know, there's nothing I could do about it, you know. I mean, I could exercise, hopefully, but I already tried and my joints hurted me too much, so I don't know. I don't even know why, honestly, I signed up for physical therapy. I just do it because if the insurance don't see that you're trying, you know, they'll fuck with my medicine. So I got to do this bullshit, play the game, hurting and shit. Can't make this shit up. I'm so thirsty. So I mean, I used to be a framer. I mean, everything. Can't, it's just, like my friend, we always used to say, it seems like we're always trying to explain ourselves to people. That's my friend Mike. He needs a new heart. I used to see him every week, but he moved. He didn't, he lived like probably 2.5 hours away. But he so messed up his body. I hope I get to see him again. He's the one that's going to have an artificial heart until they can find him one, a real heart. So I'm going to try to stop talking and try to do some recording here. Let's see. Somewhere's in that vicinity, I think. But this is not going to be a long video because nobody's going to watch this shit. Nobody wants to see the big fat guy fucking can't breathe, looking cheesy, doing shit. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let me just turn this camera a little bit and get some screws in my screw gun. I don't have that many screws, man, so it just might just be a tacky. Out of screws. A lot of junk in the way, but I just move shit over, that's all. Just to move a shitty over. See, then when I'm done, I'm going to push it up, Shit. I got to get it square, or else it's not going to be right. That looks pretty good. Now, if I could. All right, that's it for the screws right now. So, shit. There's so much shit in the way. But, and then I just gotta put a better board down, and then that was just a temporary fix. You know, I just, whatever. Once I get a couple more down, then that'll be good, you know. So, now I gotta find my, of course, my ruler's over there. That's what I mean. I don't. Of course, my speed square's not around. So there's 8 foot there. So, I gotta take a breather a minute, and then I gotta walk down, get my speed square, and then screw that down. So hopefully, hopefully that's gonna be right. But, out of breath. So, 32 minutes. So I'm gonna walk up, get the speed square, bring it down, and then you know. So this thing's gonna push against the wall. I'm gonna probably put one more in the middle, split the difference, and then I have to make a sheet go at an angle. Let's see, because you got to be able to walk in there, you know. So, it just sucks that, you know, I just take so long at doing stuff, you know. It bothers me. So, the other one I got to turn around, and then zap some screws in that, and then put the Benchwork on. And then, I mean, the Benchwork, the plywood OSB down. So like I said, each day if I could do a little bit, I know if I spent like a 6 to 8 hour day down here, at of course my pace. This pace is like whatever, it's like whatever pace. You know, TB out of commission pace. So, let me, so I'll turn it up here where I gotta walk, which ain't far. Let me get doing it, because I just stall too much. My furnace workbench. Yeah. I love these speed squares. Whoever invented these things is awesome. Feel piss coming on, damn it. Okay. Swing this shit around so you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I got so much shit in the way. So much shit. So much shit. So much shit in the way. Fuckaroni. The fuckaronios. It's just the fuckaroni, okay? I like to make up all these corny fucking songs. Let's see here. This has to turn around. Swing your partner, skip to the loo. Just keep on swinging and skip to the loo, my darling. Oh, fuck. That wasn't cool. Come at me. Look over here. So much fun. Shit, man. All this mess has to work with me. Has to work with me. See, something's fucked. I think, well, when I screwed that board in, because the wood's twisted, that's what's going on. It's lifting this shit up on me. Fucking. So now you got. So what I have to do is take the screw gun over there, unscrew it a little bit, and then hopefully it'll be just right. Fucky fuck. Just fucky fuck. Oh, man, this shit is. My shit is tore up. My shit is tore up. Okay. Now I gotta walk behind this contraption, Benchwork, and fuck, I might have to pull a screw up down here, I don't know. Because the floor's level. Actually, what I could do, I could cheat. I could, you fuck, come on, what the I could cheat and just push my weight in. That's what I can do. always think of my wife, Anne Marie. She had this cat. His name was Buddy. Butterfingers, really. And, but I nicknamed him Shitty because the poor cat, it was a Himalayan cat, and their eyes run. And, we'll see what that does. So, I'm just out of breath, man. And it would look like shit. So, I would call him Shitty, and she would say with her cute little voice, she would say, "Me no shitty." I said, "He is too shitty." And she would keep saying back, "Me no shitty." Bitch. Son of a, you know what? Come on. This fucking shit. Fucking. You know what? Hold on. I got clamps and I don't even use my head. You know what? I got to, I could put a clamp in and draw that in. Okay. That's what I think. Oh, shit. See, I got wood back here too. Scraps. Okay. Oh, my God. Oh. You gotta get the picture. I gotta run up and get a clamp and to pull that piece in. I think I might have one here. I don't know if I do. Well, here's something that worked that I didn't put up. Yeah. So let's clamp a draw this shit in. See, when the electrician put that plywood back there, he said, "You got a piece of plywood?" I go, "Yeah." And it's all warped and shit. I just assumed bought something nice to put back there, but it was too late. So, oh, you fucking, come on, man. You gotta be shitting me, TB. Oh, God. Come on. Fucking off by half a, 3/8 of an inch. Fuck. What time we got here? Well, you know, this is what I'm going to do. I got another clamp, a longer one. I'm going to put it here, bam, bam, draw it in, and then that'll be done. Because nobody's going to watch this shit with me huffing and puffing and whatnot. Maybe the people who care about me, but other than that, you know. So I'm going to end this video. I'm still going to stay down here. Try to do a few more pieces on here. And I'm going to talk to you guys in a minute. Just enough where my fucking head, man. Oh, I wouldn't wish this shit on anybody. I gotta, I might have to take my shirt off. Fuck. So, okay. So, SWAT family. I'm gonna get a clamp, push this, put my gorilla weight down on it, fucking bam bam, Gotta watch out when I fart so I don't shit myself. It's getting old, man. It's just I want to get old, but believe me, I do, but the shit that's happening to my body's like wasted. But anyways, I'll put that one down. I'll make the same kind of thing for the middle. And then I'll string across 2x4, and then set this shit on, and then I'll see how wide it looks, because I was going to make this out to be 6 foot wide. It's just I got to get to, I got to be able to get to that electrical box. Or electrician, I should say, not me. Or me just to set a fuse. But I got to be able to walk in here, and then I'll know where I stand when I push this shit back. And then I got some shit to cover that hole up here, which I should have did a long time ago, actually. So, Ball Slot family, this is the Noda Raceway, but / O-scale trains, MTH trains, and I'm doing the Benchwork right now. I know it's kind of taking me a long ass time. Believe me, I'll think about it. I wouldn't even put myself out there. How could I work for somebody? Can't work under speed like this. Oh, wait a minute, I can't breathe. I got to stop a minute. Oh, wait a minute, I can't even hold a fucking 2x4 up. Blah, 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 blah. If I knew roids wasn't going to hurt my heart, I would do it where I could. If I could get, I don't know, 74 is probably the cutoff. I know you guys don't want to hear that. This shit is fucking smoked. I have to swear. There's nothing else. There's no other words for it. Because I was as strong as guys at work would say, he's as strong as fuck. And I'm not no more. You see me just holding up that level. Pretty pathetic. But I'm down here doing it, so, it's just hopefully to get done. Just by me talking, I could have already screwed that in. But I know I got to take a piss. If I don't take a piss, then, the shit valve might open up on me. So, if the shit valve opens up when I'm pissing, pretty gross, and I don't want that to happen. So, shit valve, please stay shut. Don't want to deal with it. This old guy, I mentioned it on this channel several times. He's an old firefighter. He used to go, oh my God, I got to get back to the station. My shit strings ain't holding up. And I would go, what is he talking about? Shit strings? Fuck's that supposed to mean? So one day I asked him. He's crazy Irishman. I love Irish. But anyways, I'm part Scottish, but anyways, he would say, his shit strings. He said, he said, when I have to take a shit, I got to go immediately. And speed it up like 30-something years down the road. I know what he's talking about now. Just nuts. But anyways, I love you, Slot family. And TBAB, whatever you want to call me, either one's good enough for me. My nickname in the fire department was Bro. I got that because I would call everybody bro. I didn't want to be rude and keeps asking what the people's name was. So I'd say, hey, bro. So that's my nickname in the fire department. So I love you, Slot family. Peace out.